Welcome to Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. I have a Dollar Tree haul to share, and I was able to find some more clear stamps, and I wanted to show you all the new ones that I picked up. I know this set has been floating around for a bit, but I was quite happy I found them. So let me show you. This is the large alphabets, and these clear stamps are by Crafter Square. So you get the lowercase in a large font, and then you get the numbers on the bottom. I have not found the uppercase yet, but so far this is what I have. I am still on the watch out for the uppercase ones. And then I found this one. This is the calendar set, or I guess you would call it a journal set. And I like the little images at the top here. You see, you have a clock. I'm not sure what that one is. It could be a coffee maker. And then this week in review, that's what it says. And then you get your Monday or your Sunday through Saturday listing. So, okay, and then I also found this one. These are postage stamps. I like this. I like it that, you can color it in once you stamp it down. Are they cute? I like this. And there's this one too. This one, you get the guitar, you get the horse and the rider. And then this says farm. You get the farmhouse and you get Snickers. The Snickers do seem out of place with this arrangement, huh? Well, I think they're Converse, so it's okay. And then this one. This is like I guess the library set. You get the wine, a grape. What is this? No, it's not grapes. It's a ship. The pipe, the old-fashioned card, old-fashioned typewriters. The balloon, postage mark, and a clock. I like the set. It is really cute. I mean, it is dark, and most of it, you see how it's solid, but you can still color that in and bring out the colors on that one. I like that. And then the last one I found is this one. You got the flourishes and the doilies, the vines, and you get a small block of printed words, and then you get the beehive. Let's see, they got this one upside down. It is just like some writing. It looks to be in French, but how cute, right? I like those. So I was happy to add these 6 more stamps in my collection. In case you guys are looking for these 6 stamps came out of one box. I did pick up 3 of these blocks. These blocks are about 2 3/4 of an inch. I like the colors on these. I also like it that it's not heavy. Dollar Tree does carry the solid blocks, right? So you'll find the solid blocks over in the Crafter Square section. Right, so this says, all you need is love. Love is pardonable insanity. I will love you forever. There is only one happiness in life, to love and to be loved. And then, brief is life, but long is love. And then I peeled one of these. Hold on. I'll try this one. Here we go. The heart that love is always young. So how cute, right? I like these. They're cute. I plan to DIY these, so I'm tempted to buy another set of these just so I can use it as is. But I will remember to grab some more of those. And I found some cute vases. And these are Greenbrier products. So I found it in the green, the orange and in the pink. I did pick up 3 of the oranges because I was planning ahead for Halloween. I just grabbed 3, and I just now noticed this one is cracked. So originally it was cracked, but it's been glazed over. So, that means eventually that crack is going to come through. And I do plan to put water in here, so I will need to exchange this one out. So, when you get yours, take a look. Make sure there's nothing wrong with the inside. If you plan on putting liquid in there, that is. Yeah. So, yeah, these colors together like this with these cute blocks. Look at that. Isn't that such a pretty color? So, yeah, I think I will go ahead and get another set of these. How cute is that going to look? Now I just need some flowers. I will have to make another chip for my flowers because I don't know exactly what color I want to put in there, but I think they'll just look really cute. I'm really after the vases, putting on a beautiful show. So I'll probably go with maybe white or an off-white flowers would look really good in that. I also found these. These are a wooden wreath base, and it is 12 inch by 12 inch, and it's by Crafter Square. I like these. So it says it's wooden, but it's not. Just, don't be disappointed when you get to your store. It's that pretend board. So I was thinking I can use this put fabric over it, and you can always sandwich 2 together if you need to, or just staple the back side down, the fabric. That'll be wonderful, right? Use it as a frame instead of as a wreath. You can also use it as a wreath too. I was thinking if you're going to use it as a wreath, probably to kind of maybe pad it to get a wider form perhaps. Or you can use it to do a string art on here, and then that'll be your wreath base, right? How cute, right? So many options with these. I am hoping that they'll have some smaller ones too. So I will keep a watch out for those. The last item I picked up this week is this. This is a Home Smart Sanity Gear. It's a portable sanitizing UVC light. It says as seen on TV. How neat, right? So it's 99.9 effective against bacteria, viruses, and germs. It can be used on any surface. Touch screens, bathrooms, travel, toys, restaurants. Well, they have the sanitizing gadgets, right? But so far I've only seen the big ones that you can just use at home. So this is something new. See, you can put it on your keychain, and see how they have it to where if you take it to, if you happen to be using an ATM machine or at a gas station, you can use this. So you plug this right into your phone and you scan it over the surface. So it has that Type-C connector, can you tell? And then just hook this onto your keychain. Like that. That is cute. When you use those keypads at the registers, this will be great. Let's see. How does it work though? Just plug into your phone. Unit will light up blue. Hold approximately 0.8 above the small area, about 1 inch, for up to 60 seconds. So when you're paying for something, you're like, hold on. So it's spray that keypad with your light, and then you're like, okay, I'm ready. But this is neat, right? I mean, you can always practice safety wherever you go now. What a cute gadget for only $1.25. So I grabbed up a few, and I plan to use this as a stocking stuffer. How wonderful, right? So this one I open is for me. The rest I will share with my family. But this is neat. This is the first time I've seen this one. Great. I like it. I hope you find some too. Well, I'm going to be checking my store again very soon. They are setting up all the summer toys. The coastal decor section is being set up. So I'm looking forward to all that. And then they're also setting up like the section for the gardening. So yeah, I will be checking back at my store and picking up a few more items. So I hope that you guys find what you're looking for, that you find everything you have on your wish list. And I hope that you find some of these cute sanitizers to carry along with you. Thank you for stopping by. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.